वास्को सम्राट क्लबान विद्यार्थ्यां खातीर मुरगांवांत तशेंच मुरगांव भायल्या इश्कोलांनी कितल्योश्योच कार्यावळी आयोजीत केल्या। आयतारा वास्को सम्राट क्लबान गोंयभरच्या विंगड शाळेंतल्या उत्कृश्ट विद्यार्थ्यांचो पंचायत मंत्री हस्तुकी भोवमान जालो। RDX ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
I appeal the parents and the guests who are present here that to come forward to donate once, that the donation will be remain for lifetime. And the Samrat International Club is doing these annual activities to know from each and every school the behavior, as our comparer has said, the behavior of our students, and also to promote art and culture of Goa. Vasco Samrat clubs have not only completed the Maram Goa schools, but we have gone beyond and other talukas also. Total nearly 68 schools we have sponsored.
Had they been loved, had they been cared, had they been taught proper moral values, students would have never ventured on that bad road or the disastrous road. It is the parents who have to take responsibility. And I think it is high time we wish well for our children, not only in terms of mere wishes. We have to act accordingly. Parents will have to do much more than what they are doing. They will have to reach out much more to the demands and the needs and the natural instinct of their child or sibling who is a student. It is only then you can expect the best results from them, and you'll expect them to do the best.
My dear students, you all are so precious, the children are so precious, but we lose so many lives in accidents. Accidents cannot be prevented, but they can be avoided. Try to follow the traffic rules. When your parents are taking you to school, bringing you back from the school, we try to take shortcuts. Everybody wants to save time. Everybody is in a hurry. No, say no to the illegal shortcuts. Tell it to your parents. Don't take this shortcut. Take the proper road. Don't overspeed. Life is very precious. Save yourself, save the world.